Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. This tutorial is going to teach you how to add custom fields or meta key to WooCommerce Bulk Order Editing plugin. Adding custom fields to WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin is not a complicated task thanks to the options we have provided in the Meta Fields tab, which can enable you to add them manually or automatically from orders. Now, the most amazing thing about adding custom fields to order table is that you have also access to them on the bulk edit form, a filter form, and column profile form, just like other fields. In this tutorial, we're going to share with you the method that we use to add custom fields to our plugin. Alright, adding custom fields via Meta Fields tab. As shown here, there are two ways to add custom fields to our plugin, manually and automatically. If you want to do it manually, first go ahead and type the name of custom field in the text box under manually, and then click on this little plus sign, and then customize the custom fields in the opposite box. And now click on Save Fields. But if you use the automatic option, you can add all columns fields assigned to one of the orders to our plugin very fast and easy. The process is the same as the manual method, except that you have to type the ID number of your preferred order instead of the name of custom field in the text box. As soon as you click on the plus sign after typing the ID number of the order, all of the custom fields related to that order will be added to the opposite box automatically, and you can customize and save them accordingly. So let's go through some examples together so you can understand them better. Example number 1, adding custom fields to the plugin. In this example, we want to add special offer order as a custom field to the plugin. So you can just add the custom field to the plugin, which have already been added to the WooCommerce order page. So be careful what you type in the text box, because it must be exactly the same as the custom field name assigned to the WooCommerce order. Example number 2. In this example, we're going to be adding custom field from order automatically. To add custom fields automatically from this order, we typed this number on the text box, like for example this, and then click on plus icon, and as you can see, all custom fields assigned to that order number were added to the opposite box. As we mentioned before, by clicking on the plus, you can see the custom fields in the opposite box, and now we're able to customize them by using these options. Now let's see how we can change the name. If you want our plugin to display this custom field with different names on the other forms, you can type a new name in the text box in front of it. For example, we typed special offer in that box, and there it is. Alright, changing the type. In this box, you can choose a type for displaying the fields in the bulk edit form and filter form. We have listed some default types, and you can choose one of them to be assigned to the custom field, including text box, text area, checkbox, radio, array, calendar, email, password, URL, image, file, editor, select, and etc. For example, we choose a checkbox for special order custom field because the data must be specified as a yes or no option. We also selected the calendar type for delivery date to edit or filter the data of this custom field as a date. Alright, now changing the order of custom fields. To change the order of custom fields columns, you can easily hold this icon right here on the right and drag and drop it anywhere you want. Deleting custom fields. It is also possible to delete each custom field by clicking on the close icon, so the removed meta field won't be displayed in the plugin for editing or filtering. Saving custom fields. to make our plugin display the custom fields added in the Meta Field tab, you need to click on Save Fields. And now let's see how these fields are available for editing and filtering in Bulk Edits form and Filter form. Using custom fields in the filter form, once you save the custom fields in the Meta Field tab, all of them will be added to the filter form under Custom Field tab. For example, we're going to try to filter orders with delivery date from selected date. So first we're going to open filter form and then go to custom fields. Pick the first and second dates from inbuilt calendar and then click on Get Orders. And as you can see, those orders are filtered successfully. Alright, so now it's time to add custom fields columns to the order table. Adding custom fields to the order table is easily possible via column profiles form. To manage the columns displayed in the order table, you can go ahead and click on the column profile button on the main page to open column profile form, and then scroll down to see the column fields section, and then mark those fields that you need to be displayed in the table, and then go ahead and click on Apply to Table, and that's it. Bulk editing custom fields. After saving the custom fields, you have access to them on the Bulk Edits form by clicking on the Bulk Edit button on the main page and going to Custom Fields tab. And here we can see both of the custom fields we added before in the Custom Fields tab. For example, we clicked on the box in front of delivery dates, and as you can see, the built-in calendar was opened. So we picked a date to be assigned to this field for the filtered orders, and now by clicking on Do Bulk Edits, the delivery date of all filtered orders has changed, as you can see.
What?